hole. Is it any wonder I might not find my way home? Emily, you put them both side by side now, and it ain't even close, you say, as I lose my place. Why am I looking just to see what I'm looking for? It don't make any sense, 'cause there ain't one straight line in the universe, and you don't have to tell me twice. I love the night. Was it a thought or a feeling? How many people stumbled on it at the same time? One note, one phrase, one single brush stroke, and now here we are today. But no one